Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove background from an image for free on your Windows 11 PC. First of all, you need to open the Paint app. Now you need to adjust the canvas. After that, click on File, Open, and select the image from which you want to remove the background. I would like to select this one and open it. Now again adjust the canvas. Now what you're going to do is just click on this remove background option on the toolbar. Wait for a few seconds. And that's it. You can see that the background of the image is removed. To confirm this, if you create the layer, you can see that there is no background. Now if you want, you can save the image. Now you can see that there is no background in the image. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.